Hi, how are you? Welcome to my channel Amer Studio. In this video I will show you how to make neon text in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's jump to Premiere Pro. Select the Type tool and type neon text. Select the text and align it to center. Change the font style for neon text. Find Marquee Moon font. And then increase the font size. And change the color magenta. And again align it to center. Set the text layer duration for 10 seconds. Add one more track and then hold the Alt key and create 4 layers of the text. And now select the second track and change the color light blue. Go to the Effect panel and apply the effect Fast Blur at the 3 layers. And change the blurriness for 200 at bottom 2 layer. And change the blurriness for 3rd layer to 75. And now add the neon background. And then cut some frame of the all layers. And delete the sum of parts. And here is the final result. Thanks for the watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.